AI is serving as a really good tool. It's like, let's say you were asked to make a chair, and before you would like a handsaw and drill it and use a hammer and whatever. Now you got a power tool. You can do the same job in like 10 minutes, and you can do it better. Our job is to then learn that tool and use it effectively. The thing is that two things are happening with this new tool. New things are also possible to do which were not possible before, and so therefore I feel like a lot of the way to think about this is how do we use that tool effectively. And I think one thing that helps is who is most effective with using AI is people who are able to articulate what is the goal and what does a good outcome look like, and then use AI to get to that good outcome.